Hey guys, it's Dex here from A2K, and being well into 2020, it's now easier for industry experts to predict the trends that will dominate the manufacturing industry this year and beyond. To stay ahead of competitors, manufacturers must be aware, embrace change, and be prepared for all the important transformations that will lead the industry in the coming decade. The coming changes are set to restructure businesses and the modern society. Let's now take a look at the trends. An increasing number of manufacturers are leveraging the Internet of Things. IoT is a system of interconnected computing devices that can be located anywhere in the world. The devices have the abilities to collect and transfer data over wireless networks. It's possible to control anything and be part of IoT, from traffic lights to cars and airplanes. This adds some level of digital intelligence to devices and enables them to share data in real time without human intervention. Leveraging IoT achieves a number of goals, such as an increased efficiency, savings in cost, product innovation, and improved safety. According to Forbes and Hitachi, approximately 62% of manufacturers believe that utilizing IoT to products will increase profitability over the next 4 years and are prepared to invest $260 billion in IoT by 2020. They realize that the technology enables them to make informed decisions as it provides vital real-time information. Gartner predicts that there will be 24 billion IoT devices used worldwide by 2020. A study by Business Insider Intelligence also shows that the IoT market is expected to increase to over $3 trillion per annum by 2026. "3D printing is rapidly transforming the manufacturing industry. With companies like Markforged introducing innovative composite and metal 3D printers, we see no signs of the trend slowing down. The technology will continue to enhance the production workflows of manufacturers and product designers. It allows them to produce cheaper prototypes at a faster speed compared to traditional manufacturing methods. The technology is a cost-effective and an efficient way to test and troubleshoot products before mass producing. It also enables companies to produce parts on demand and on-site instead of having to manufacture them in a warehouse and rely on third-party suppliers. With industries such as education, aerospace, health, dental, and automotive already embracing 3D printing, we will see more sectors in the manufacturing industry catching up and utilizing this growing technology this year and beyond. If you're enjoying this video so far, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. 5G and advanced wireless technology and the next generation from the 3G and 4G network is one of the most awaited technology trends in recent years. Deployment began in 2019 with approximately 4 million Koreans having 5G phones as of October, and that number is expected to surpass to 5 million users later this year. Optus in Australia has begun their 5G rollout and will only continue to improve as it matures. It will be quicker, more responsive, have greater capacity and more. Oversaturation has been a long issue for cellular communications networks, resulting in inconsistent connectivity. The use of 4G in developed countries is huge, and the use of 3G in developing countries yields similar results. Organizations can't heavily rely on these networks for their operations. However, the new 5G promises to go beyond the expectations of its users. It'll provide manufacturing companies with increased connection speeds as they begin to grow their use of centralized tracking, quality inspection, and more. With increased coverage, faster and more stable connection, a system of smart manufacturing will be developed. Generative design is like a CAD tool. However, unlike the others, the engineer or designer does not have to transcribe the fully formed design idea into the software. They can just import information of their design goals, and the tool, using AI and cloud computing, generates thousands of solutions and geometries to one design or engineering problem. The results would be impossible for the human mind to envision, or at least at the same speed. The engineer or designer takes the options generated and explores the practicality of the designs. Manufacturers need to produce a large quantity of products to be profitable. This is a major disadvantage for smaller companies without access to production resources. Combining generative design and 3D printing, it's possible to produce smaller batches of products. The benefits are huge, with massive reduction in costs, quicker development times, and less material consumption. Immersive and assistive technologies such as VR and AR will continue to create a beneficial collaboration between man and machine. The technology can transform 2D CAD drawings into immersive 3D digital models, providing a unique perspective to the designs. It enables manufacturers and product designers to navigate through data-rich environments and gain interactive real-time experiences, allowing them to make better informed decisions on their projects. VR and AR can seamlessly collaborate with CAD programs such as Revit, 3ds Max, Maya, Forge, and VRED. Manufacturers and product designers can quickly make modifications and additions to products early in the design process, saving them from future errors before going into the manufacturing stage. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions about software, hardware, or services, visit our website in the description and get in touch. If you have other suggestions, we would like to hear more about them, so comment them down below. Also, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you next time.